Hi everybody, now I will teach you how to build an account for Scratch. So, now I will search for the website of Scratch. It will be like that. And I must take care, this is the website of Scratch, scratch.mit.edu, because sometimes you will find here some ads. So take care, you must take care that when you will choose this account, Scratch, Imagine, Program, Share, and this is the website. So I will enter here my website and I will tell him that I want to join Scratch. Okay, after that I will give him my username, so I will write my username like that. Okay, and here I will give him my password, so I can write password like that. Okay, now I will make next. Here he is asking me about my country, so I will choose whatever. I will choose, for example, Turkey. And here I will press next, month and year of my birth. So I can choose something like that. Here he asking me about gerund. And here he asking me about my email. Do you remember the email which we built in the last video, in the previous video? Here I will give him my email. Okay, now I will tell him create your account. I will press here. Now I have, this is my account, get start. But there is something important. We will make confirm your email. It is very important to confirm my email. So I will go for my email. Here I will see this email from Scratch, no reply at scratch.mit.edu. Here I will confirm my account. I will press here in this button. Now I can use this web. I can work with my account Star 2024, and this, when I will make fresh here, refresh, I will see that this message gone. Okay, now I can use my account and I can build my applications. Thank you very much and meet you in the next time.